this function step by step. So let it be creative or like recreate it. So let to be that I'll try to put it as now I'll make a function. So whenever I say the time, whenever I say time, then it automatically it tells me the time. This is the time, like the time is, and that's the time. So I'll just try to recreate it. So for that, after if, so now I'll be using elif function, elif time in text. So if time is there in the text, if my user input is having time, then the current time. So see your time is a variable. I made a variable called current time. So current time is date time dot. So similarly to the hour again, date time in the class again it's date time, and now then I want it in the form of string format. So time string format the time now. So see this carefully. So here I'll tell you. So if you want a hour format, then you put percentage capital H for the hour. So if you want any hour using this particular function, so you put this capital H or dot H. So I wanted a string format, so I kept it as to get into the string format percentage H for the hour. Okay, and similarly percentage M is for minutes. Next, percentage S is for seconds. So again, it's capital only. So based on capital and small also changes. So be careful when you write this. So next, so this is for 24 hours format. Suppose if I want to use for 12 hours format, then percentage I is for hour in 12 hours format, and percentage p small p is for am or pm. So it tells am or pm. So these are the main commands using this for this string format. So based on this you'll get your string whatever you are using. So suppose right now I want it in the form of 24 or 12 hours format for suppose. So for 12 hours format I want, so what I do is percentage I, it's percentage m and percentage s in the end percentage p for am or pm. So now due to these commands, what happens? It takes the time in the string format and it stores in a variable called current time. So I'll leave this in the same way. So you can use it later on. You can see this when you get the code. So now I wanted to tell time is the variable is current time. So yeah, only two lines of code, but the main thing is you need to remember these functions. So what each percentage letter do. So now it will speak what is the time. So I'll try to run this out now.
Good afternoon. I am your personal assistant. How are you, sir?
What is the time?
The time is 02:45:51 p.m.
Yeah. So you can see it told me the time. So now suppose I don't want this to speak every time I'm a personal assistant. I'll comment this for now, and then we'll again edit it. So for now, this is for the time. Similarly, I want it to do for day or date. So I'll just put date only. Suppose if date is there in text, so current date, that's one variable. So current date is equal to date time dot again date time dot now again dot string format So similarly for date and day also we have different types of commands. So for them I'll tell you percentage small d is for date, percentage small b is for month, whereas percentage y capital Y is for year. Now for day, percentage A is for day. So now you can see for date, month, year, and day, as well as for hours, minutes, and seconds, we got the what are the commands required. So now again for date in string format, I'll put it as percentage D, percentage B, and percentage capital Y. So this is for current date, and whereas for current day, a new variable. So the same date time and dot date time dot now, and now I want in the form of string format. So string format and person. Now for day it's percentage A. So now what happens? It gets the current date and current time, and whatever it's you having in your PC. That's the main thing. So whatever you're having in your PC, it goes from there. It uses this particular. So if you see here the time and the date, it takes from here and it shows you. So now what happens is, suppose if I say speak, now I wanted it to say, so speak today's date is, so current date, okay, and it is the day, current day, yeah. So now if I tell date in the function, what it automatically does is it stores the current date or like the date which is there in this variable, whereas the day in this variable, and it automatically speaks this. So if we try to run this,
Good afternoon.
date,
Today's date is 09 April 2021 and it is Friday.
so this is what, so if you want to see what it's speaking also, you can do this print, then I'll just copy this string, I'll just paste it here. Similarly print. So yeah, you're also, if you run now, sorry, yeah. So if you run now, you'll also see what is speaking and what it is actually speaking. So it will see in the terminal it's using print function. So date, time, and wish me, so three functions I see you guys are familiar with now.